Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm doing another battery review video today, and this is on the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus. I have reviewed EcoFlow before. I did an EcoFlow Max and I had really good luck with it. I actually used that for quite a bit of stuff. That's a bigger battery. This one here is a 1024 watt-hour battery. It has a LiFePO4 battery in it. It has the UPS feature, which I cover every time if they have it. You know, if you have something plugged into power, power goes out, it just immediately clicks on, so your device that's hooked into it never went off. So we're going to take a look at this and see how it does. I like it. It's got good handles on it, which is critical for me. It's lightweight, so this is something that if you're going on a canoe trip or something like that, you can grab it. It's not something that's so, huge and heavy. Great for charging phones, laptop, camera equipment, everything like that. So I wanted to turn this on though and see how much it's charged up right now. Oh, looking at the actual front panel here, we've got all your AC hookups, USB-C, your regular USB fast charge. These two over here are 140 watt. That's a pretty fast charge too, I'd say. Let's see, let's turn it on. It's at 28%. Nice clean interface. Let's get this off if I can. USB on and off. AC on and off. On the back side, you've got your regular cigarette lighter port, and you would turn it on with that button. And in here, grid power to charge. You can actually add an extra battery to this one. So if you wanted a nice light battery and then found out you needed a little more power, instead of buying a bigger battery, you could just get an expansion battery for this. And here we've got the hooks up, because you can charge this AC, solar. Definitely a pretty clean looking unit. I want to see this if I turn the AC on. There we go, we have the UPS system right there. I want to test that out right away. Trying to keep these videos short, or I get way too long-winded. I'm going to actually bring the battery over here, because with that big window behind there and it not being dark yet, it makes it hard for the camera to see. Get that plugged back in again. Looking at this paperwork that came with it, you can expand it with a 2 kilowatt hour Delta 3 Smart Extra battery, or an expandable 5 kilowatt battery. So you can make this little system right here, I mean it has everything inside of it, a pretty big system if you want to. And you can start small and work your way up. I've got to have the app on here, but I never can find anything. So let me take a quick look here. Not sure how well you can see that with that light up there, but that's the app interface right there. Shows you everything going on. So now, like I said, let's test the UPS function. AC is on, UPS is there, and how I do this is I plug this in, and it's I haven't seen this before. I don't know that the EcoFlow Max had this, but I've got 3 of your regular, I suppose that's a 20 amp or whatever, plug-in where you have the ground, and then I've got 3 that don't have the ground, so something like this, or a light that you plug in that doesn't have that third, goes right in there. So we've got this going, so what I do is I turn this on, power is coming through the battery. When I unplug the battery, it immediately goes to the battery, and we see how much, if any, of a lag there is, or a flash, Kind of like when the power goes out in your house and you have to reset the clock on the stove because it's flashing. Used to be a lot of things that did that, but now a lot of them just shut off. This would eliminate that. So let's see how that works. So we got it running. I didn't hear anything. No change. I do want to see how many watts this takes though. It surged at 440 and then dropped down to about 207 when it was running. So let's try something bigger that you probably shouldn't really run this battery on. And we're going to do it on battery. We're not running any power through it right now, because I know that this surges quite high. So this battery, that surged at 2800, and that battery was very fast with this side. I mean, if it's not enough battery, it'll lag at first before it starts. That was instant. I wasn't expecting that with only a 1024 watt hour battery. I didn't think it would have that kind of power. That's pretty impressive. You know what? I wonder if this would run the milking machine. We're going to try that. That's kind of scary. But we're going to try. I don't know what the surge is on this thing, but I have to milk Mesa coming up the cow very shortly. I usually start that whole process at 6:30 and at 6:22. I'm going to let this charge until I get everything set up, and we're going to plug the milking machine into this and see how it does. We'll see how it does. I mean, that is a big motor. That is a big motor. I'm going to have to get her in here. She just had a calf a few days ago, so she needs to be milked every day, even with the calf on her. And her udder is huge. And she's giving us like about 6 gallons of milk a day right now, plus the calf feeding off of it. And it did not come with the solar panel, so I'm not going to be testing the solar capability. I've never had one. The other EcoFlow was awesome too. Plug in the solar panel and it charges. Looking at this thing, the reason why it runs so good, I mean, it has, what did I say, 1024 watt hour battery, but it's a 1800 watt AC output, 2200 watt, surge to 3600 watt with X boost. So this little thing really packs a punch. For being such a nice little light unit. And with as far as the solar goes, I don't know the maximum you can put it in, but you can buy it with a 400 watt panel, a 220 watt, 160 watt, 110 watt. So it's got a good solar input that would charge it nicely. Right now it's pulling 1248 watts input to charge, and it's silent. I mean, I hear the heater going over there, but I don't hear any fans, so this is a real quiet unit. That is really nice. That's extremely fast charging. 23 minutes until it's up to 100% right now. I'm going to go get the water and stuff, and we'll run the cow in here, and we're going to get this little battery and see how it does. All right, I've got the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus here. I'm going to plug in the milker. Let's see, AC power on. It does. I can't believe it. This is such a nice, light little battery that really packs a punch. I don't think I've ever dealt with one like that. Usually when you get the little batteries, they're, you know, like I said, good for charging your phone and laptop and stuff. Well, now I've got to get the big girl over here. the battery's charged up to 98%. I mean, it's going to drain this battery down pretty fast using that much power, but still, if the power goes out, I need to milk that cow regardless. Come on, Mesa, let's go. Come on. Come on, Mesa. Come on, Festus. Let's go.
He looks like a Jersey kind of.
Yeah, he does have that coloring. Yep.
His face looks like that too.
What are you doing, little guy? Come on. What are you doing? Well, let's see what she likes more.
Oh, here she comes.
There we go. Come on. Good girl.
Hey, Mesa.
Good girl.
Good girl, Mesa.
Festus is still here, but the calf is gone.
I wonder where it went.
I don't... Well, we went through the whole milking and the whole cleaning process. You guys just saw at the beginning of the cleaning process. You got to run a few buckets of water and cleaner through it. It was at 98% and right now it's at 42%. And because she just had a calf 3-4 days ago, she is giving a lot of milk. Normally, right now she's giving, one day she gave about almost 8 gallons and today it was probably 6. Yesterday 6. Usually she'll only give about 3 or 4 gallons when she's not, you know, just fresh is what it's called. She was just freshened with her milk. So this thing normally would have milked her out 2 times. And as fast as this thing charges, I could easily plug it into a generator if the power was out to charge it, or if it's sunny out, put a solar panel on there and it would be charged and I could use it every single day to milk her and I wouldn't have a problem. I'm going to plug it back in so it can charge all the way up, but I'm telling you, I'm thoroughly impressed with that little battery. I've done smaller batteries in the past, but I don't think I've ever done one with this amount of watt hours that packs such a punch. I mean, I can't believe that thing ran the milker for the cow. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching my little review video on the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus. I will leave any links for this in the description. There's a lot more that this does when you look at the app and just all the features, but I'm trying to keep these videos shorter. Click on the links, check it out. You can see everything that it'll do. And if there's any specials running, that'll be there too. I will see you guys on the next video.